Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back for another video. It's your boy Albert here. A very good morning to y'all, or whatever time you guys are watching this. It's really early for me right now. Y'all can see the sun's barely coming up. So I decided to come out here during the weekend and work on the Ecoboost. Hood is up, so that means we are working on the engine. Dude, honestly, for Ecoboost, like, this thing makes like quite a bit of noise right there. I'm actually going to be installing this blow-off valve adapter by Boomba. And I gotta give thanks to my buddy Memo. He hooked it up for about $35. Yeah, $35. And I know they're new, like 70, 80 bucks. And all this does is gonna give you that nice turbo sound everybody likes, the whole psh, or whatever you got. I don't know what it's, how it even like goes, you know. But it is gonna give it a nice sound. So that's something you are looking for your Mustang Ecoboost. I'm guessing just for the sound, guys. It's just purely for your ears, guys. And like, I want to talk about it right now. This will not void your warranty, and this will give you absolutely no performance gains. You're gonna keep getting zero performance gains on the car, no horsepower, no better gas mileage. It's just purely for sound, just for your ear. And it's honestly a real easy install. It's only 3 bolts that go right here. The only hard part is accessing the bolts, because they're like pretty tucked in there. And once those are out, you put this on, add the bolts, rev it, you have the nice sound. I mean, you guys already know what a stock Ecoboost sounds like, but I want to show you the before and after. And all you guys are going to use is going to be a 5mm either Allen key or a 5mm what is it, the torque bit, and that's all you're going to use. Alright guys, so once you loosened up all 3 bolts, it's pretty easy. You can just put your hand in there and just pretty much unscrew them with your hand, which is going to be easier, like I said, because it is a real tight fit. So you don't want to be messing with the screwdriver all the way in there and just like risking dropping a bolt. So just have better handling with it with your hands. There you go, there's one. This is what it looks like. And the new ones are like a lot longer. I'll show you the difference right now. But yeah, there's only 3 bolts. Again, remove those and you're done. Alright guys, so here is one of the bolts, the stock bolts, and this is the Boomba. So you can see obviously it is extended a lot further out than this one, because you're gonna have to add it on. What it does actually, guys, it just throws all the unused air, all that pressurized air out to the atmosphere. So which creates that little whoosh sound, or whatever the turbo sound you guys like. So that's pretty much it is, guys. Honestly, I guess durability wise, this is made like out of aluminum. It is like a really good quality. I don't know what other colors they have, but like I said, I've never looked into it, but since I got it at a great price, I went ahead and picked it up. But it's a good finish, guys. Not even scratched, dented, like literally pretty much brand new. So let me go ahead and install this. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like right here. Once you remove all 3 bolts, you go ahead and add the Boomba part right here. And that's it, literally. Like, there's literally a socket right there where it just goes into, line it up, and just put the 3 bolts back in there, and that's it. Alright guys, so everything on YouTube and the reviews said about this product are 100% correct. That last bolt, it is gonna be the toughest one. It is gonna be super difficult to reach back there and tighten it up. And it's gonna be the one back here. Not even that one, that one's like easy. It's that one, right? It's kind of blurred, but that one right there. This one's easy, and so is the top one on the other side. They're gonna be super easy, like a minute and you do both, but the last one is gonna be super difficult, so be prepared for that. One review on YouTube tutorial did say remove the reservoir, but I honestly think removing this makes it easier. I didn't, because I think it'll add the time up anyways by removing this and then trying to tighten that, putting it back. But yeah guys, remember, just 3 bolts, remove, put the new ones on with the adapter, and you're ready to go. Now for the good part, the part y'all been waiting for. Let's see how it sounds like. Wow, now that sounds freaking cool. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Let's just hear if the exhaust changes anything at all. I don't think it did, but let's check it out and see what's up. That sounds good, but Mia's scared. You can see Mia's like crapping pants over here, and Lucky really just like whatever. But yeah guys, I hope I did answer all your questions, guys. This was a rather easy install, like I said, except for that last bolt. Make sure you are prepared for that last bolt. and that it's gonna be kind of hard, or get two hands to help you, two people, another person to help you out with this. Is gonna be super simple. Maybe one of them can lift the tube while you tighten it. I was doing both with two hands. But yeah guys, I really do so far enjoy this mod. You know what, I was gonna end the video here, but let's have a little fun. Let's see how it sounds like in the cabin with the windows up and the windows down. I want to get it all covered for you guys, so let's get into it. Just a quick go around the neighborhood, see what it sounds like windows down. I do a little throttle. Alright, you can hear it, but let's get a good throttle. Ready? Sounds good with the rev. All right, hope you all can hear it. It is, you can hear it guys, you can hear it. It's nothing like whoa, like you can hear it from like 2 streets away, but you are gonna be turning heads. People are gonna freak out when they hear this. Honestly, it is real badass. But now let's see with the windows up. All right, turn off the radio, AC's down. Let's see. Yeah, it's not annoying. I honestly thought the only issue I had with this, I thought it was gonna be annoying because this is a daily driver. This is my wife's car, and actually it is not annoying at all. It is bearable. Well, I mean, it's the first time I'm hearing it, but it actually makes it pretty fun. And I think this might be a bad idea to install this, because all this is gonna do is gonna want me floor it a little bit more, rev it more, which is gonna affect my miles per gallon. So I maybe technically, if you guys are wondering if this will affect your miles per gallon, yes, because you are gonna be wanting to rev it and floor it more, just so you can hear the little whoosh sound or whatever. So yeah guys, I totally like it. I totally recommend it. Like I said, install is kind of but the after effect of everything, 2 thumbs up. I enjoy it. 5 stars for me so far. If you guys are thinking of getting it, don't even doubt it, don't even hesitate, go ahead and pick it up. I think American Muscle, LMR sells it. I think Boomba, I don't know where my friend got it from, but this is the Boomba one. I know they have CNL and some other brands. Go check them out guys. I will catch you guys on the next one. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and like the video guys, and comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.